What's up guys, this is Jigs Crypto and welcome to my channel. All of the links for the news are in the description below if you want to check it out. Also make sure to like the video to help the channel. It also helps people to discover our videos in this channel. Now let's take a look at our daily crypto news. Alright, so first up, this is coming from blackworks.co. Crypto.com buys South Korean startups to compete with local giants. So we highlighted from the article, Crypto.com recently gained provision approval to offer services in Singapore and Dubai. Now, it's adding South Korea to the roster. So the Singapore headquartered exchange said in a Monday announcement that it acquired South Korean payment service provider PN Link and digital asset exchange OKBit. All right. So both companies hold Electronic Financial Transaction Act and Virtual Asset Service Provider registrations. Certifications for customer safety, which means they now transfer to Crypto.com. I think this is a big move for Crypto.com. So they're now entering South Korea. Before they were offering services also in Singapore and Dubai. So despite the bear market right now, Crypto.com is still has a positive way on acquiring new investors to their Crypto.com exchange application. So continuing with the article. Crypto.com appears to consider its entry into South Korea critical. In a statement, Patrick Yoon, general manager of Crypto.com in South Korea, said it's a tremendously important market for Crypto.com in advancing blockchain technology. So, yeah, um, to those who like to watch, Korea drama, this is something to ponder in. Continuing, Crypto.com is entering South Korea at a sensitive time. So strict reporting requirements enacted last year have stipled, still, I'm not sure, comment down below if I pronounce it right, competition, leading to consolidation in favor of South Korea's Big Four platforms. So Big Four platforms are Upbit, uh, Bitum, Koinon, and Corebit, right? So I think this is steep, so Stipfeld, something like that. So lastly, in any case, Crypto.com's South Korean play comes after an in-principle approval from Singaporean regulators to offer services in the country, in addition to provisional approval from Dubai. All right, good move from Crypto.com, and hopefully um, they acquire more companies in other countries also. Next news is coming from forecast.news. The merge can make crypto payments mainstream again. So said by Vitalik Buterin. So as highlighted from the article, once we have scaling technology, it actually becomes possible to really try to make crypto payments more mainstream again. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin said during his keynote speech at the Korea Blockchain Week 2022 conference on Monday. So there are some past facts from the article here. Um, First is cryptocurrency payments sort of become less popular after 2018, Buterin said. It's pretty clear that fees are one of the reasons why. So as we know, Ethereum has a really high gas fees right now. But 2.0 or the merge, as we all know, should be able to address that high in fees. So in the future, with rollups, with all of the improvements to efficiency, The transaction cost could go down to 5 cents, dollars, or even as low as 2 cents, the Ethereum creator said. Um, and then Ethereum developers are expected to shift their focus to scaling the network after the highly anticipated upgrade known as the Merge. So the Merge, we're anticipating this next month, September. The Merge upgrade involves the Ethereum blockchain's transition from the proof of work consensus mechanism to proof of stake. The update is expected to happen mid to late September if all things go to plan, according to Buterin. Right? So we will see. We'll have more news of this regarding the merge in the coming weeks. So our next news is coming from yahoo.com. Singapore-based crypto lender Hodlnaut suspends withdrawals. So we highlighted coming from the article, Hong Kong routers, Hodlnaut, a Singapore-based cryptocurrency lender and borrower, has suspended withdrawals, swaps, and deposits, the company said on Monday. The latest sign of stress in the cryptocurrency industry. So, another one bites the dust. Crypto lender also said it would withdraw its application for a license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore, or MAS, to provide digital token payment services, for which it received in principle approval in March. So, Holdnote said the move was due to recent market conditions and was to focus on stabilizing our liquidity and preserving assets. So, the company is the latest in a string of crypto players globally to run into difficulties following a sharp sell-offs in markets that started in May with the collapse of two paired tokens like Luna and Terra USD. Other high-profile failures include U.S. crypto lender Celsius and Singapore-based fund Three Arrows Capital, both of which filed for bankruptcy last month. And Singapore, a major center for crypto and blockchain in Asia, has seen several crypto companies run into difficulties in recent months. So, Bold, a Singapore-based crypto lending and trading platform, suspended withdrawals in early July. And later that month, SIPMEX, a Southeast Asia-focused crypto exchange, suspended withdrawals, though has since resumed them for some products. All right. So yeah, let's go to the next news. Next is coming from Coindesk.com. UAE to clamp down on crypto real estate money laundering. Right. The authorities want to trace payments made in Bitcoin and Ethereum as the country develops as a crypto hub. So, real estate agents will have to alert money laundering authorities of any property sales paid for crypto, the government of United Arab Emirates, or UAE, said in a statement on Monday. With companies such as Bybit, Kraken, Binance, and Crypto.com seeking to set up in the emerging crypto hubs of Dubai and Abu Dhabi, some real estate developers in the country had announced they would start accepting payments in Bitcoin and Ethereum. The new rules will leave little or no room for manipulation or legal practices that could negatively impact the work environment and the economy and investment in the real estate and legal sectors. UAE Minister for Economics Abdullah bin Al Mari said in a statement. So hope I pronounced the name right. Comment down below if not. Um, they would also require brokers, agents, and law firms to file reports to the Financial Intelligence Unit, which is responsible for tracking dirty money, and would also apply when the buyer attempts to pay in cash worth over 55,000 AED, around $15,000. The government did not specify any hold for virtual assets, implying even the smallest Bitcoin transactions will be caught. All right, so well, I think that's okay. Maybe in the future, if not using Bitcoin or Ethereum, maybe we can use stable coins to be able to, invest in real estate. Not, I'll probably go with stable coins instead of, this kind of tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum because it fluctuates a lot. So goes down, goes up in a matter of, seconds. It's volatile. A stable coin, um, it's like a US dollar. So I think that is more, um, that will work more. Just a suggestion. So yeah, let's see if there's more news to develop in this one. So next is news.bitcoin.com. That is from newsbitcoin.com. Dozen crypto companies await Portugal license despite bank account closures. All right, so I've covered the news the other day or the last few days regarding Portugal closing some bank accounts of crypto companies in their country. So right now there's some companies that are waiting license in Portugal. So let's go with the story. The Central Bank of Portugal is now reviewing 12 requests from businesses that want to provide crypto-related services in the country. The applications are pending decisions amid recent reports that some commercial banks are closing accounts of already approved operators. So, final decisions on the applications are expected by the end of the year. That's unless the regulators ask the companies to provide additional information, in which case the deadline could be moved to 2023. The Portugal News English language portal reported, quoting the business news outlet, right? There's one more that I highlighted here, which is Binance is also is one of the companies that are waiting license in Portugal. Um, I'm a user of Binance, so if there's new users out there that wants to use my referral, you can do it so by looking at the link in the description below. And in the future, anyone who reads this in the country of Portugal or Portuguese, um, please do accept my referral. Not this is not an investment, advice. I'm not an expert, or don't quote me in any of this. But yeah, it's just a referral. Segue. So going to the article, among the applicants to enter the Portuguese crypto market is Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trade volume. The digital currency trading platform has started to recruit talent in the country, having posted 6 vacancies in its Portuguese page, even though it's still waiting for a green light from the BDP. Um, well, I think and I'm positive that Binance will be approved for license for operating as a crypto company in Portugal. I'm positive with it. So lastly, from the article here, so we have Cryptoloha, Mind the Coin, Digital Luso, Utrust, and Bison Digital Assets are the 5 crypto brokers that are already operating in Portugal. The new requests are an indication that the nation's crypto industry is developing and is likely to soon grow to a total of 17 registered exchanges. If the dozen crypto companies gets approved, so Instead of 5, there will be 17 registered exchanges in Portugal. Right? We're gonna have more news on this. We're gonna keep track on this in the coming weeks or months. So next news is coming from analytics, insight.net. This will be our last news for today, and this is something that I want to research some more, and maybe you guys can also research some more. Comment down below if you're already in this as an investor. Let me know what you think about this news and about Bitgert. Not advice. This is not also an investment advice, but yeah, I'm gonna look at it, see if it's a good investment. You know, so the article title is "Why Crypto Expert Says Bitgert Price Growth Shall Overtake Solana in 30 Days." Um, I'll look into the price of Bitgert right now. There's in dollars, I think there's like 6 zeros right now, decimal places. So it's a bit cheap right now. And I haven't seen the max. I need to check the tokenomics on this one. So again, not advice, investment advice. So in the article, the hype around Bitgert or Bryce project has been growing bigger every month in 2022. And today, crypto experts are saying that Bitgert price might overtake Solana in the next 30 days. The predictions are based on the massive price performance that Bitgert has posted in the past few months. The Bitgert coin price performance has been better than Solana. One of the biggest factors that will make Bitgert price growth outperform Solana is the mass adoption of the Bitgert BRC20 blockchain. The Bryce chain adoption rate has been one of the fastest in the past few months. With the Bryce chain adoption bigger than Solana, then Bryce price performance is likely to be bigger than Solana. The Bitgert chain has cheaper and faster transactions than Solana chain, which makes it more popular than the Solana chain. Bitgert blockchain is the only zero-cost gas fee chain. Wow! And also the fastest blockchain with 100k TPS. In the next 30 days, the Bitgert team plans to add more disruptive products and projects to the chain. The Bitgert roadmap V2 or version 2 has more products coming up than Solana. The startup studio projects coming on the Bryce chain are also more than the price is a project Solana is releasing. Sorry. And lastly, the Bitgert project is growing the utility of the BRC20 chain faster than Solana. In fact, Bitgert might have more bridges than Solana. So we covered previously one of the causes, I think, for the Solana hack is the one of the bridge that they're using. If if we recall it right, go to the previous news that we had before. At the moment, Bitcoin utility growth has done better than Solana. The stablecoin bridge and now the top 5 crypto bridge will skyrocket Bitgert price faster than Solana. Um, do some more research on your own. Not really suggesting that you go quickly invest with Bitgert. Invest at your own risk. Make sure you do your proper research, tokenomics, projects, what is it has done previously in I think Bitgert started last year, mid last year, something like that. So yeah, do your own research. Um, I think that's it. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated with the latest videos. And this is Jigs Crypto signing out.